110 kanji. 110. So here the meaning of waist. Waist. We know the meaning of waist usually. So the kanji like that. First stroke, this one. Second, that way. The stroke of kanji. Third, that one. Fourth, that one. And last, this one. This is the kanji stroke. That means this is the 1. This is 2. Then this is 3, 4, and this is 5. Here is a stroke of kanji. So the sound is only nishi. Ni, shi. Only it has one sound, nishi. Nishi, and nishi means west. Nishi. In English, west. Japanese, nishi. West, nishi. So here is one word as a common. Nishi guchi. Ni, shi, guchi. Gu, chi. So this is called nishi guchi. That means ni, shi, gu, chi. Nishi guchi. Nishi guchi. West, exit. West, exit. Nishi guchi. So the kanji nishi. So here is first stroke, second, this is the second again, this and that, second, third, fourth. Here is again fourth, this is the third, and this is the final. So nishi guchi. We know guchi, the kanji of guchi. So this is guchi. The total in nishi guchi. Nishi guchi. So again the stroke of kanji, first and second, third and fourth, fifth. Again a small one, first, second. So nishi guchi. Nishi guchi. So the sentence is Piramido. That means in Misr or Egypt. Pyramid. Piramido wa Nairo. Piramido wa Nairo no Nishi ni arimasu. Nairo no Nishi ni arimasu. So how many kanji here? We already used only one. This is nishi. This is nishi. Nishi ni arimasu. Piramido. Pira. Pyramid do. Piramido wa Nairo. 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 That means Nail river. So Nairo no Nishi ni arimasu. Nishi means west. That means in Nail river, west of Nail river usually, here is pyramid. Over there is pyramid. So here is kanji is only nishi. Sound is nishi. And meaning of west. Meaning of west.